today's video, I want to review to you 3 good products you should try out when looking out to naturally lighten your skin as well as glowing your skin, making your skin look radiant, beautiful, unifying. You're looking out for lotions that has SPF lotions. You can use face and body. These are the lotions I'm going to be reviewing to you today. So if this is something you want to watch, definitely do well to stick around.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
People, welcome right back onto my channel. This is Sunita once more on your screen. If this is your first time, hi, you're highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to this very one. If you've not subscribed to this channel, ensure to do so and put on your post notification bell icon so whenever I upload videos, you'll be the first to get notified. Do not forget to thumbs up this video, that way YouTube will recommend it to people who would want to see something like this. Okay, all these products I have reviewed, if you want to go and see their personal review, like reviews dedicated solely to them, please check down my other videos. You're definitely going to find them there. Yeah, but the very first one I have here, like I said, is the Skin Doctor Paris. Okay, this is the Egyptian Glow Ultra Radiance Pure Whitening Body Milk. It's a body milk. Now I want you guys to know something. Anything that is written, or any lotion that is written on the body that is body milk, know that it's not going to cause you any harm. It might not be good on you. That does not mean that the lotion is absolutely bad. Like any lotion that you see, body milk or body lotion or body brightening, know that lotions like that will hardly react badly on your skin. The only difficulties you may face or challenges you may face is maybe because maybe you're looking out to brighten or whiten up, and maybe the lotion is kind of lightening you instead of whitening you. That's when you might stop using it. But for other people, in fact for people who are looking out to naturally and gradually lighten up their skin, lotions like this will work perfectly for you. Okay, this is the like I have used the black one. I think I have reviewed it. Like I said, I have a review on these lotions, like their full range, down on my channel, so check down my other videos. You're definitely going to find it. They comes in like 4 variants if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to leave them on the screen, but this particular one, I have tried it as well as the dark one, the something glow, I have forgotten. I think they have cast, I can't even remember, but like I said, I will leave it on the screen. This particular one unifies your skin tone, safe and effective. It has this hazel that helps to naturally lighten up your skin, like these natural ingredients that helps to lighten up your skin as well as giving you a glowing skin tone that your skin deserves to survive. Okay, I know I've been using that one for the longest time, but trust me, if your skin is always worn out, always looking tiring, trust me, you're definitely going to look much older than your age. So in order to help yourself, the products you use on your skin matters a lot, goes a long way to speak for your skin. I know there are people who naturally do not have like a very beautiful skin no matter what you put on your skin, so people like that would need injections and drips and tablets to help bring your skin back on track. But if not, lotions are also very keen, like very important. The kind of lotion you apply on your skin determines how your skin will come out. Okay, so before you have money for injections, drip, and all the vitamins that your skin would need, try as much as you can to go for lotions that are very mild, lotions that will not bleach your skin. Lotions like that, they are very safe on the skin as well as effective. Okay, so like I said, this particular one is very good. This one contains the Egyptian powder. Okay, so it kind of lighten up your skin in a way that you would really like. It doesn't excessively lighten your skin, it doesn't make your skin look like you're bleaching or something like that. It doesn't give you dark knuckles or something. My friend that was using this cream, and she actually stopped using it because it kind of was lightening her a lot, like too much. Why? Because she has a very delicate skin. She has a very soft skin that quickly reacts to cream, like kind of skin quickly catches lotions, that anything she uses on her skin kind of lighten her. There are people like that. So right now she uses Jergens baby lotion. Okay, so that is how effective this lotion is. All the smell and the packaging that I love, the transparency, the color, the baby girl kind of color. In fact, everything about this lotion is giving. One of my list is the Pure Egyptian Secret. I've talked about this one as well as their range. It comes in 4 or 5 different range. You should look out for anyone that works for you. I have a very sensitive skin, so I go for lotions that are very mild and gentle on my skin. So lotions like this will not do you any harm. This one is the Egyptian Secret. It has the Egyptian powder, Filipino powder, and solution. It also have alpha arbutin, glutathione. Okay, it has SPF 20. Okay, this one is the Q10. I forgot to mention, this one has the Q10 and also has the vitamin C, so it's very good. It comes in the 400 ml lotion, while this one has the Q10 as well, so you guys can see what I'm actually talking about. Okay, now they wrote 14 days here. I want you guys to know that you cannot see results with this cream in 14 days, but at least you should see something significant, that you're using something different, or you're using a lotion that is good on your skin. Okay, so but like I said, in 3 weeks, a month, you should be able to see something like a very nice result. In fact, something very visible and glaring, that you're using something different. It has SPF 20, meaning that you can use it in the morning and go under the sun. You don't have anything to worry about, because it doesn't it doesn't have hydroquinone or any ingredient that will make your skin look tanned when you go under the sun. But that does not stop you from using your sunscreen as well as your moisturizers. Okay, it also has liquorized PT40 and kojic formula collagen. Okay, it's a skin recovery lotion. You can use it on your face as well as your body. For people who cannot afford to get face creams different from their body creams, this one is a lifesaver for you. You should look out for something like this. It will definitely like save you from the stress of having to buy body lotion as well as a face cream, because money is not easy to come by these days. I don't know about you, but truly money is not easy to come by these days. This lotion is affordable and is sold for 6,000 naira, pending on your location. The last time I bought it for I think 5,500 in Lagos, either 5,000 or 5,500. And then some places currently, my current location, sold for 5,000, others 5,500, and other places 6,000. So like I said, creams prices, or the prices of creams, differs based on your location. Okay, it's based on your location. And even in your current location, there are places, there are cosmetics shops that do not sell on same price. So that is what I mean by that. So they are quite affordable compared to other lotions. This one is sold for I think 4,000 something. I'm not quite sure, but it's not, I'm sure it's not even up to 4,000 naira the last time I checked. So it is quite affordable, and they smell like really amazing. This one smells mild and very gentle, like a baby girl kind of life. Okay, it smells really mild and gentle. This as well smells really nice. Okay, smells really nice as well. So you guys can see that it is not greasy. It doesn't stick on your skin. It doesn't give you like, it doesn't sit heavily on your skin. It has a very nice fragrance, like I said, kind of moisturizes your skin as well. But trust me, I also use it alongside my body oil. But right now I'm out of body oil. So but yeah, you can as well, if you want to see best result, use it alongside a body oil, and trust me, you're definitely going to see your skin glowing effortlessly. Okay, the next one on my list, we saved the last for the best. I mean, we saved the best for the last, something like that, not sure. Please correct me down in the comment section. This one is the original natural fairness body lotion. Is the Clear Nature. I have reviewed this lotion before. All these lotions I'm reviewing here, all these lotions I'm showing you here, in fact all 3 lotions I'm showing you here are lotions I have reviewed on my channel before. So if you've not come across any of the reviews, please kindly check down my description box, or better still, scroll down my other videos. You're definitely going to find them. This particular lotion, I'm supposed to bring an update about this lotion, but like right now, a lot of things, a lot of content to create, and sometimes I also get overwhelmed and I don't remember to like film certain videos unless it just, you know, somebody draws my attention to it. So like I said, this one is a Clear Nature, and is a like, this cream is beautiful. This cream is beautiful. Okay, this Clear Nature is clear naturing. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. It's very nice. It's a cream that gradually lightens your skin. It doesn't give you dark knuckles. It doesn't give you stretch marks. It doesn't give you green veins. It doesn't worn out your skin. It doesn't make your skin looking some areas Fanta, the other place Coke, and other place looking Sprite. Like, this lotion is an amazing lotion, both for male and female. Like, in fact, these lotions I'm reviewing, they are very nice. Both male and female can use it. But you see this particular one, I feel like guys uses this lotion even more than girls. Why? Because it doesn't bleach your skin. It doesn't give your skin any form of bleaching effect, unless of course you want to really lighten up. You can then now use it with tablet soap, the serum and the oil. So it comes in the serum. It also has the body oil. I don't know if it comes with serum but it has body oil as well as the tablet soap, so it works really well. So if you want to see like a very speeding result, or speeding, you want to have like an urgent result, use it alongside the tablet soap. I think the tablet soap is sold for about 1,200, and then if I'm not mistaken, so the body oil is sold for about 3,000-4,000 naira, pending on your location again. Okay, so this one is my friend is using it, and she has been using it for the longest time. If I have my way, I'll put her picture on the screen so that you see how she's currently looking. It has sunscreen, and it's made with kojic acid, a natural skin lightener. It's very, very good. It's good for normal skin. This particular one is good for normal skin, for people who have like super normal skin. So that means there are certain kind of skin type that cannot use this lotion. Okay, if you have a sensitive skin, for some reasons I feel like all skin type can use this lotion, but they specify here that is better, according to them, like it's better for normal skin. So if you have a normal skin, you're looking out to lighten up your skin or maybe maintain your skin tone, look out for this particular Clear Nature. Is very, very good. And see, one thing I love it, like there are 3 lotions I have really loved their fragrance. Number 1 is I think the Fair and White So White lotion. It has a very, very nice fragrance, seconded by this. Then thirdly, QEIO. This lotion smells amazing. Until I see any other lotion that smells better than these 3 lotions I've listed, then they still remain the best as far as I'm concerned. Okay, they smell really, really nice. Like anytime my friend is applying it, or is out, in fact I look forward to seeing my friend using the lotion on anytime she comes out of the bathroom, because in fact I always feel like hugging her or chewing her skin or squeezing her to myself. It smells really amazing. Like it smells really, really, really nice. Trust me, it just reminds me of QEI. This lotion smells nice. So now it comes in 2 different variants. It has the one of carrot, and it also has the maxi toner, but it comes in this color. This one is bigger. This one would last for about 2 months or so, because she bought it around November and this is February. Okay, so this will last you for about 2 months. It's a 400 ml lotion, if not 5. Okay, it's a 500 ml lotion. Then the maxi tone comes in a 350, 300, 350, something like that, but that one kind of lighten the skin way better than this one. This one is just to maintain your skin and gradually lighten your skin, giving it that poppy kind of effect that it needs. It glows your skin at the same time, makes your skin looks really younger. Okay, that's how good this particular cream is. Like I can go on and on and on, but let me end here because I don't want to bore you guys with the whole scenario kind of talk. Okay, so yeah, you guys, thank you for watching up until this point. If you have watched up until this point, kindly do me a favor by smashing on the red subscribe button and then turn on your post notification bell icon. Do not forget to thumbs up this video. That way YouTube will recommend it to people who want to see something like this, and I'll definitely catch you guys in my next one very, very soon. Bye.